guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a 5-ingredient vanilla bean frappuccino. Let's get to it. The materials you need for this vanilla frappuccino is some milk, some sugar, some heavy cream, a little bit of ice, and some vanilla. Let's get to it. You will also need a blender, a cup, and if you want, some whipped cream. So the first step is to add in your ice. Now you can add in your heavy cream. Just add a little bit of that. And then you will need to add in your vanilla and add about 3 drops of this. Now you can add in your sugar. You will also need to add about 3 tablespoons. Now you'll need to add in your milk. Just like that. And now you are done and you can blend it. After you have blended your vanilla frappuccino, you can put it into a cup of your desire. Just like this. And if you want, you can add whipped cream. And your vanilla frappuccino is complete. Refreshing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye!